Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do a tracker journal. I'm gonna do a breakfast, lunch, dinner tracker to plan out what I'm gonna eat this week. So first I have this. I was thinking about doing a really cute, like a stand-up. Let me show you. It looks like as if you're receiving a text message. This one, but I would have to do 3 and it wouldn't fit of this, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go with this one, and it would take a long time. So I'm gonna do a breakfast, a lunch, dinner. Alright, first one, just making sure it aligns. This will be breakfast. A little bit crooked. That's okay. Lunch. Nice and slow. Good. And then last one for dinner. And there's a little bit of spacing difference, but that's alright. That's okay. It's just for 1 week. Alright, then in here I have a menu plan. That's what I want to use. And on the back I have an example of how it stamps. And this is for bullet journaling, so there's also project, chores, budget, schedule, laundry day. Okay, this one up here. Nice. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. And then I have this one. I'm going to use the Bon Appetit. This I'm going to put over here. A black one. Some people say bone apple teeth. There's I think there's a whole like YouTube video on how people think it sounds, and the one that stuck with me was bone apple teeth. It was funny. Alright, so over here I want to put a lemon, because on this other page we have like some greens and a little bit of yellow, so I thought it would be kind of matching to put something that's about the same color-ish, kind of. Now we'll color these. The lemon right there. With black first. Right here. Nice. Beautiful. It came out actually really, really good. So I got this new pencil set from Amazon, and these are not cheap. I mean, it's not super expensive, but it's not like the low quality cheap pencils. These are very, very vivid, very strong pencils, and there's 72 colors. Castle Artist, premium soft touch colored pencils. And ooh, look at that. Every color has a name. I will put a link down below for this if you're interested. I was looking at pencils. There's a little card on how they drew it, and I found some good ones. I was looking for pencils at Joann's. These are other variations they have, but I feel like they were so overpriced. Look at that. Lift, and then lift. I think that's it. Yeah, ooh. Yep. That is it. So there's 3 rows, and for this I'm gonna be using the yellow ones and a green one too. So I'm gonna take this green, and at first I'm gonna color the leaves. Very smooth. And on top, I'm gonna try to add some highlights with a lighter green. Just going around it. So a little bit on the middle part. I like it. Now with my yellows, first I'm just gonna do the basic yellow. Oh, this is a little bit orangish. Look how vivid that is. And then this part, a little bit darker. Creating a little shadow. And then for the inside, we're gonna go in with the creamy yellow. Okay, now we're gonna give it a little bit of a detailing because it just looks plain. So I'm just pressing down these lines to give it a little bit of color. That is very, very beautiful, actually. Alright, I'm very happy with this. Alright, for the top, I'm just going to decorate it by hand. I'm going to take a yellow acrylic paint. I can use just this cap. The very thin brush, I'm going to dab inside the painting. And I'm going to make little dots along the black line. A little bit more paint. It will dry very quickly. What I like with yellow is blue. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with blue on the next row. This is a very dark blue. Just making it look a little festive. People don't usually use acrylic paint in journaling. You can actually get a very cheap acrylic paint at Walmart. But I got them on sale at Hobby Lobby. They were 40% off for acrylic paint. What I'm gonna do now is get the acrylic paint again, yellow, and I'm just gonna try to draw little lamps like this, and then I'll do like an outline with a Sharpie once it dries. Okay, a lamp, a light bulb. So pull down a little bit and then a circle. A little crooked, but that's okay. Good. Down and nice. Gonna let that dry and then I'll go over it with the Sharpie. It's pretty much dry, so I'm just gonna draw an outline, but not perfectly. So just a little one. Cute. A little bit maybe too harsh on the edge. Lastly, let's do a couple of dottings on here. So everything is pretty much yellow. Bit of dot. I like it. And I hope you do too. And it's a little bit of a good idea what you can do with stamp you have. Just color it. Add some acrylic paint, because why not? I love adding acrylic paint to everything. It's very strong, it's very vivid, it dries quick. And that was it for this one. So here's a closer look to this. I like it. It's very cute, it's very simple yet very beautiful. Those color pencils are incredible. Look at that color. I hope you can see it very vividly. It's beautiful. So this was my breakfast, lunch, dinner menu planning. This way it will help me to make sure I don't go off track and start snacking. If I write down what I want exactly for breakfast, exactly for lunch and dinner, I will stick to my plan, and I hope this helps you in any way. If you have trouble with never knowing what to eat, and then you just end up eating takeout and random things, it's just not helping with possibly losing weight. I need that for sure. So I think this will help me a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a fantastic rest of the day.